Hey, what's up, everyone? So I've been talking about AI and building stuff with AI for the last few months, and it's really only the last couple weeks that I've actually gotten a bit more comfortable with these tools. And I want to just talk and pontificate about the future of AI and marketing and SEO and things like that. But the feedback I've been hearing from folks, especially other marketing leaders, is how AI is great. No one's disagreeing with that, but what does it actually mean to tactically apply AI to what I'm doing and what my team is doing? And so I'm not going to talk about all the different use cases, but rather I want to provide the resources that I've been using to figure out the exact use cases and learn from other people. I'll walk y'all through two of the courses that I strongly recommend taking. And before I jump in, neither of these folks are paying me for this promotion. I'm just a very happy student of these courses and feel like I'm definitely learning a ton that I could have fumbled around on my own, but having these two folks kind of provide guidance and support has been really, really valuable. So the first course that I've been taking is this Actionable AI for Marketers course with Brittany Muller. For those of you in SEO, you should definitely know her. If you don't, she's one of the OGs. She used to be at Moz, Hugging Face, and now she's doing a ton of work around the AI space. And I've been following her work for a long time. And once I saw that she was doing this course, I immediately signed up. No joke, I didn't even read the description or the curriculum. I just enrolled because I know that she has an SEO background. And my assumption was that if she was going to be teaching about AI, that the use cases and examples she probably walks through will have an SEO bent toward them. The course isn't just about AI for SEO, but that happens to be a good part of the course material. And so what we do in this course is you have a live cohort. You don't have to attend live. You do get the recordings, and it is tough to attend all of them. But in these sessions, Brittany's walking through the different tools, and she screen shares and shows examples how she even uses the tools. On the first class, she actually had a previous student come in and share the project that he built when he went through the course. And so you get immediate examples of how you can even be using these tools. And it goes a lot more in depth than, say, what you see on LinkedIn most of the time. And it really gets your mind running with ideas of how you can apply what you're learning. And not only that, but in these live sessions, you get together in groups, in breakout groups, and you use these tools together. You discuss them, you figure out what they're best used for, what's challenging to do, what's straightforward or what's surprising. And then you also have projects to do as well. And so this is something you can probably do on your own if you have a lot of willpower and a lot of discipline and time. But by enrolling in a course, it was a forcing function for me to actually block out time to do this. So even if I can't attend the live sessions, I'm watching recordings on the weekend and I'm tinkering around. And so this is really helpful. And Brittany's also even introduced tools that I wasn't even thinking a lot about or hadn't considered using. I was very much a ChatGPT person. I think she's bringing me over to Claude right now. She introduced us to Google Colab and more of the different use cases of Notebook LM as well. So again, highly recommend taking this course. I'm still in the middle of it. Again, Brittany doesn't know I'm posting this. I actually think she can charge a lot more for this, but perhaps she wants to make this accessible. But highly recommend taking a look at this course if you want something that's much more tactical and can give you the upskilling that you want to figure out how to use AI for your role in marketing. All right, now this other course is by Nat Eliason. I've followed him for a while, and he's done many types of businesses. He's just a builder. And so when I saw that he was also doing a course on how to build apps with AI, I immediately signed up here as well. So whereas Brittany is focused on how AI can be applied to a marketing role and starts touching a little bit more on more general use cases, Nat is just focused on just generally how you use AI to build apps. And in the course, he has some example projects like building a Pomodoro timer and building your own website. And you're using cursor.com for most of this. The really cool thing about this is Nat essentially just does a bunch of screen share. It's all async. It's all recorded sessions. So you can just watch on your own time. There's nothing live, but these videos are super straightforward. It just walks you step by step of, hey, here is how to prompt the AI to build an app. Here's how you troubleshoot when something doesn't work. Here's how you deploy to GitHub. And again, even though these are all things that could be pretty straightforward, there is an activation energy that it's required to go into these tools, learn how to use them. It helps to have someone guiding you and nudging you along and helping you work through some of the blockers that you might run into. And so I've built like 4 apps using AI now. I can walk through that in a separate video, but it is through taking these a combination of these courses actually at the same time. What's helpful in this course is you get access to this community of the other students, and you can see that there's nearly 700 students in this course right now. And you can see what other people are building. There's a show and tell channel where they're dropping in the links to the apps that they build. And a lot of them are really interesting. Like you see this one, Catherine built a year in review tool. You're seeing a bunch of different calculators. You're seeing a photo background remover. And it's just fun to see folks building, and also all of us collectively realizing that, hey, these ideas we have, we can actually make into a reality now. And so again, I'm not painting myself as the expert, but I at least want to point folks to resources that'll help them learn how to use these tools and use AI in their workflow. So hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about my experience. I did pay for these courses fully. Again, they are not paying me to promote this. I am just blown away by the material that they put together and feeling like I'm getting a lot out of it. And it would be a shame to not share these resources. So again, reach out if you have any questions. Happy to chat.